Russia has struggled with their intelligence gathering during the conflict, as they try to compensate this for every way they can, placing radars and cameras in multiple positions, but trying to deny Ukraine information with electronic warfare. One system deployed more frequently is the Murom-P surveillance system. It's basically a longer range camera with the added function of a thermal imager, often placing this high up to get a view of several kilometers. Here Russia has placed the system in a residential building, trying to hide the expensive system, but as this Ukrainian drone operator found the system, taking its time to home in on the system. Firstly almost coming in too low, but manages to correct itself, destroying the system, making Russia a little more blind on the battlefield, reducing Russia's intelligence gathering during the conflict. That's all I have for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.